Hey, what's up guys? Mari and Jerome here from We Are the Bonsai Supply, and in today's video of having coffee with Mari and Jerome, we have a very special artist.
Her name is Liliana Tello. She is a Colombian living in Costa Rica and doing a great job in bonsai. So I'm very excited that we got to sit down with her over Zoom and know more about her journey. It's so inspiring, it's so incredible, and I'm so excited because she's a Latina represented in the bonsai world. So we hope you enjoy this.
So, Liliana, the first question that we always like to ask when we interview somebody is how you like your coffee.
I like black coffee without sugar. Black.
Without?
Without sugar.
No sugar, just black.
Just black.
Okay. Very strong.
And very strong.
Colombian coffee?
Yes, Colombian coffee is good, but Brazilian coffee is the best. Yeah. I want to go there again to buy a lot of coffee, Brazilian coffee, and carry on my home because it's very delicious.
Oh, gotta try that.
Yeah.
Gotta try that.
Yes, you have to try.
I know that you are from Colombia, right? But you live in Costa Rica.
Yes.
So can you tell us a little more about your journey in bonsai? How did you get started? How did you I like bonsai and you started doing it. Tell us a little more about your journey.
Okay, I started to do bonsai 8-9 years ago, only for free time. I like weekends, and I want to learn how to wire. I love videos. In this country, I found a group of persons to do bonsai one time by month. Yeah. Okay, and I go there and I start to know people to do bonsai, and I start to work with them 3 times per month. Every weekend I do bonsai, and when I put my works in Facebook, the people, oh, it's really beautiful, and I, okay. When I bought a juniper, and I don't have the no, I don't know how to work it, but one day I say I will to work my tree, and I start to wire it, and I make a design, the first design of the tree, and put in Facebook. Oh my God, 1,000 likes.
Wow.
The people are crazy with the tree. And Robert Stevens write me, I want you to come China to the event of Black Scissors, everything is paid, and oh my God, I can't believe. Okay. The first event that I went to do a demo was the Black Scissors event in China. And wow, I don't know, so many people. And I do a little juniper. I am very, very, very nervous, but okay, a good design. After that, so many people write me, we want you to come here to do demo in the event of many countries. And I start to travel to do bonsai in other countries.
It's amazing. Well, that's a really great story. I really enjoyed it. What an honor to go from not doing much bonsai to going to being part of the Black Scissor. That's amazing. So congratulations. So Liliana, do you have a favorite species that you like to work with?
Junipers is the best for me. Junipers, prostrata, San Jose, esquamata. But we can do work with them. We don't find that species in the mountains or in the gardens. Mm-hmm. All gardens in nurseries, but we can do works with them. Ligustrum vulgare is the best.
Is that the species, the ligustrum, that you have behind us? Can you tell us a little bit more about that tree?
That looks awesome.
Yeah.
I have a story with the tree because I bought it when I am starting to do bonsai. I go to a nursery and see it. It's mine. I want it. I want it. And I bought it. It was sick. Then I feel that it needs some care, and I start to do something with them, and they start to grow up very fast, and I cut, and the foliating report because that species in this country is grow out very, very, very fast. And in 3 months, 4 months in this pot, the road is about go out to the and in 1 year, the primary structure of the tree is very, very strong. The trunk is very, very strong and is better now. 1 year.
1 year.
Then I have to study physiology, morphology, the species, what that it's like, and is another career.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I love.
It's a great looking tree.
It's a great tree. Yeah, and I mean, I was so excited that I found you because, it is very rare to find women in bonsai, and more than that, Latina in bonsai, which I'm so excited. I was like, she is my idol. So can you tell me a little more about what you have seen as a woman in bonsai? Like, is it the same in Costa Rica? Like, there are not many women, and what would you tell them? Like, come on, we can do this, right?
When I started to do bonsai with the people in these many years ago, I go to the meetings and I'm only me, a woman. Mm. After that, maybe girlfriends of the boys that do bonsai go there, but he is sitting, okay, and but the Nils,
that's true.
Maybe I have friends that women. Oh, please give me a bonsai because I love it. But you have to care and could. Oh no.
So let me ask you this: what do you think is the most challenging thing in bonsai that you encounter?
In this country, we don't have a big exposition. Some groups do exposition of bonsai one time of year, but don't have is put trees, but don't. we have to learn about it because it's the most important part if you want to show your trees. And for me, is very difficult to do that. It's not only put a tree item, the table, anything, everything that you do have a sense, and is difficult for me that. But we have to learn. In the now next year, the third year of the Felipe's Dalorto School, we have to learn about it and do an exposition with our trees of the school. Maybe it's all exciting.
So, what would be your tips for somebody that is just starting in bonsai or just, got the curiosity? What are things that you know now that you wish you knew when you started, to give them that encouragement to people that want to start in bonsai?
Okay, first, everybody have to learn about how to grow up in the pot. Cultivo. The best important part is that, because if I have strong trees, I can do many things. If I don't know how to grow that species and I don't learn about that, it's very difficult to do a good job. It's difficult to change the mind of the people when have learned many things, and maybe okay, you have to change that because it's better to do that. I don't like this. It's difficult for me, but the most important part is first learn about the species that you want to buy or to do for bonsai, and you have to do the best for the plants. Not only I bought that and I put in the garden, and no, it isn't that. If you want to do bonsai by hobby, you have to learn about that. It doesn't matter. Professional, by hobby, anything, everybody have to learn about that first. After, we can make designs, and I learned how to wire and how to make the any techniques that bonsai, because if you don't know how to take care of the species of the trees, it's very difficult.
Muchas gracias por reunirte con nosotros. Fue un placer conocerte. And now in English.
The same, exactly what she said.
Now in English.
Thank you so much for taking the time. It was really good meeting you and listening to your stories. There's a lot to learn and take from that. So thank you so much.
So inspiring.
Yes.
So inspiring.
And hopefully we'll see you in person soon.
Colombia, Brazil, the US.
Costa Rica.
Que dice que esperamos conocerte en persona también.
Muchas gracias.
Bye. Ciao.